Nestled under the shadows of the now extinct Toluca volcano, our artisans create items of incredible beauty one at a time. It starts with a drawing. We use that drawing to create a three-dimensional model. A final metal mold is then made to use for casting. Molding is an art form. Only a handful of artisans are skilled in this ancient and extraordinarily difficult process. A new mold must be made for each individual piece, and each mold can be used only once. This is an ancient process, utilizing very basic materials. And though it appears quite primitive, our experienced mold makers are highly skilled in all the subtleties of their craft. It takes years and years of apprenticeship, and most have been trained by their fathers and grandfathers. Controlling the pressure under which the dirt is compacted is crucial to a successful cast. This is all done by instinct. It is more an art form than a science. Each mold must be carefully cleaned. The correct dampness is crucial as well. A special powder is then applied where the two halves of the mold meet to have the metal cast smoothly. The mold is now ready for the next step, pouring the molten metal. The ingots of our special metal alloy are made of eco-friendly 100% recycled aluminum, an alloy we have developed for its special luster, which is our signature. The metal is melted at high temperature in an underground kiln, then poured into the two holes of each mold at the same time. A third person applies pressure to ensure that the two mold halves do not separate during the pour. After the metal cools and hardens, the mold has served its purpose. It is broken to extract the piece. The intensive hand-finishing process now begins. This part of the process is incredibly labor-intensive. The piece is filed by hand to further define its details and character. Then goes through 4 different stages of polishing, which gives our pieces the unique deep luster we're famous for. We inspect each piece 4 separate times. Our master craftsmen are a very proud group and love what they do. They're extremely proud of preserving the rich traditions of the sand casting art and know that they're able to do what few others can. For me, luxury is not about the price tag or the materials. It's about the passion behind the product.